Hi, I'm Kaz and I'm going to tell you 3 really simple ways that you can stop your resin from not curing properly. So when you're getting results where your piece is bendy, it's not setting properly, or it might just be a little bit sticky and tacky to the touch, I've got 3 great ways that you can help reduce that happening. The first way is when you're mixing your resin, make sure you're slowly and steadily stirring the resin for a good 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes, even 3. You want to make sure the 2 parts are mixed properly. If you don't, it may not cure properly. So you'll see your resin going from cloudy when you first pour the 2 parts to being super clear. So that's my first tip. Make sure you stir it for a decent amount of time. The second way I reduce this happening is to work somewhere dry. I know that sounds silly, but it really has helped me in the past figure out a solution to this problem. So don't do it somewhere where you've got your washing drying. Just try to find the driest place that you can to do your resin crafting. It really does make a difference. And the third way I'm going to suggest that you can reduce problems with your resin curing is to warm up, or just make sure that part A of your resin isn't stone cold when you're working with it, because that just increases the number of bubbles in the mixture, and in turn that means that your resin doesn't set properly. So especially in the winter months here in the UK, I like to just slightly warm part A of my epoxy resin. It really does make the stirring process easier, and in turn makes your resin set better. So that's it. That's my 3 simple tips for today. There are more that I'll be sharing, but for today we've got stir your resin properly, work somewhere dry, and make sure part A of your epoxy resin isn't stone cold. I hope one of those is useful. Let me know in the chat, or come and find me on Instagram. I'm Jewellery. I make loads of rings and big crazy jewellery. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe for watching all my future projects, and enjoy working with resin. If I can do it, why can't you?